Are you an iPhone user looking to share your YouTube channel link with others? In this video, I will show you how to easily copy the link of your YouTube channel on your iPhone. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so make sure to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile application and then tap on your channel icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap where it says your channel. Once you are on your channel page, tap on these three small vertical dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Share. So now you have a couple of different share options. What you want to do is tap on Copy Link, which will copy the link of your channel to your clipboard. After you copy your channel link to the clipboard, you can paste it anywhere you like and share it with people. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.